प्रजासत्ताक दीस मनोवपा खातीर दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लोधिकाऱ्याक कर्मचाऱ्यांनी 1000 वर्गणी काडची अशी कळवणी जाहीर केल्या। हे कसले तरेचे प्रशासन अशें म्हणीत काँग्रेसीच्या कार्लोस फेरेरान टिका केली। ह्या इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंट सरकारा कडेन इव्हेंट मोडपाक पयशे आसात, पूण प्रजासत्ताक दीस मनोवपाक पयशे नात अशें म्हणीत कार्लोसान सरकाराचेरूय टिका केली। हे विशीं विजय सरदेसायान ट्वीट करून सरकाराचेर फोग काडिल्लो।
Second thing which I have seen very disturbing is South Goa Collector an order issue केल्या directing the staff to give 1000 rupees as contribution towards Republic Day celebration. Collector is a very responsible officer. The collector is an IAS officer, and I think the collector knows the powers and jurisdiction, even the power to issue such an order. It is completely financial mismanagement which is being done. कोणाचे नाव पयशे काटले, कोण रिसीप्ट दितलो, कोण अकाउंटेबिलिटी करतलो, आनी पयशे एक्सेस जाल्यार कितें करतले तुमी? पार्टी करपाक पयशे हाडटात, सरकार पयशे मोडना। हांवें असेंब्लीन काडला इव्हेंट मॅनेजमेंटाक पयशे कितले कोट्यांनी मोडटात आनी रिपब्लीक डे सेलिब्रेट करपाक पयशे ना। What kind of administration is this? How could the collector have even issued such a written direction? And what if the officers don't comply? You will transfer them, you will punish them. I demand that the collector South Goa should withdraw this order immediately.